How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg and Naperville, Illinois. And today we're going to be talking about Mini maintenance programs. Mini maintenance is a scheduled service plan that comes standard on all new Mini models. It covers a wide range of services, including oil and oil filter changes, as well as all of the services listed here. Plus, it also includes 24/7 365 roadside assistance and Mini teleservices, which will link the car to our dealership network to help inform you of upcoming services that are required on the vehicle. And this all comes free of charge for 3 years or 36,000 miles. And if 3 years isn't long enough, you can extend that plan for another 2 years or 39,000 miles to give you a grand total of 5 years or 75,000 miles of coverage. And if the regular plan's just not enough, you can also upgrade to Mini Maintenance Plus, which includes all of the standard services in the regular service plan, plus it includes wear and tear items such as wiper blades, brake pads, and manual transmission clutches. So for all those JCW drivers out there, we've got just the plan for you. Mini Maintenance Plus can also be upgraded for another 4 years or 89,000 miles to give you a grand total of 7 years or 125,000 miles of coverage. And if your Mini is over 5 years old or has more than 60,000 miles, Mini is offering 3 years of unlimited oil and oil filter changes for only $249. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, if you need any help with parts, service, or sales, make sure to reach out to the number down below. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. Also, we'd appreciate a follow on our social media channels. Those are listed out right below. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.